You can see at every column there's this triple line icon. If you click on it, there's this auto size all columns. So you can click on it to actually adjust your size if the table is actually a bit squashed. So that will save you a bit of time there. And you can use the different filters to select a certain outlet that you want to see, or a combination of outlet, or if you don't want to use it at all, it's also fine, and you can leave it as such. So for table widgets, which are these, there's actually a special feature which actually you can right click and actually export Excel for these reports here. So you can also do the same for the other widgets. It's actually located on the top right, this table icon, and you're able to extract the information as well through the download icon or through right clicking as well. And not only that, you can also filter for the different results inside the table icon. And let's say if you're interested to look at TV carton, you're able to do that as well. And you also can sort. Same thing with the table widgets, you also can sort the values if you like to. Right, so we'll move on to the analytical portion of things. So there's the trend performances of all the different matrices. So the above part is more of like how is your business doing as of today, and also any key performance matrix you guys are tracking. The next part is more of exploration and how to look at things in a different manner. Right, so when first coming to the trend widgets, you may see either a blank widget, or you may see a lot of numbers here. So the way that we structure this widget is actually to store information quickly for you to actually go and filter for different things that you require to see. So this saves you the time of waiting for a query to actually appear for results. You know, in some tools, they may take a bit of time to give you the results. For us, it's actually pre-stored, so it's actually very snappy and very quickly provided to you. Right, so the first filter that we have is the date range. So typically the data that we show on your view is probably about 3 to 4 months. And also you can select between that range as well. If you need a longer range, we'll probably have another video where you can go through the motion to adjust the view and to allow you to see a longer range. So right now I'm using the full range. I'm not adjusting it, and I actually have this couple of report period types. So day, week, month is actually the way the data is stored on a time perspective. So a day means a day value, a week means a week's value, a month means a month's value. So for example, if I want to see daily sales trend, if I click daily, I'll be shown a daily sales trend based on the time period that we set. And this is useful if you want to see like maybe a shorter week and see how things are moving along. But typically what people look at is the pattern of a week, because a week sales is more conclusive and gives you a bigger view and a further understanding of what. Now I'm using week as an example, and you may notice this y-axis filter on the widget itself. So this actually allows you to select the different matrices quickly and actually see the different amounts across. So sales is the net sales that we talk about. Checks are the number of receipts that has happened. Packs is actually the number of people per receipt that actually came along to dine. And then we have the average spend per check. So the average spend per check is the total sales divided by the number of checks that has presented itself. And then average spend per check is the same thing, which is sales divided by the number of packs. So you could use the week view, and then you can search with average per check, average spend per check, or average sales per check. So this gives you a quick understanding of the sales trend depending on your business style and how your business performs. So for example, if let's say we were to look at day, and there's a lot of lines, right? So it's a bit hard to see because it's a day format. You actually can zoom in to a specific period that you're interested in and actually get more information there. So you could maximize, you can click and then drag and zoom in to a specific time period that you're interested. And not only that, you can actually press shift and press your left mouse button to actually move along the trend line. So you can actually see how's the trend performing without zooming out. Great.